Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use MySQL with Python. So before getting started, we have to install some packages, or we can say some software to use MySQL with Python. So here we have some software. So the first one is a MySQL server community. The second one is a MySQL workbench, and the third one is a MySQL Python connector. So the third one, which is MySQL Python connector, is used to connect your Python program with MySQL database. So let's move to the installation process. So here I just open a Chrome browser, and in search bar you can type mysql.com/downloads. After that, just scroll down and goes to the last one, which is MySQL Community Edition. Just click on Community. So here we have some software which is MySQL Community Server, MySQL Cluster. So first we have to download MySQL Community Server. Just click on that. So here we have a MySQL Community Server. Just scroll down, and now you can select your operating system. Because I have a Mac operating system, so just click on download button, which is the first one. So here I just click on download. So here you can see we have to log in or sign up for download this software, but we have another link which is no thanks, just start my download. So just click on there. So here you can see the download process is running, so it will take some time, so I just skip this video. So here you can see the download process is completed, and now here we have a MySQL community server. So now let's move to the second download, which is MySQL workbench. So just go back to your download page, which is MySQL community downloads. After that, just scroll down. So here we have MySQL workbench. Just click on that. So here we have download MySQL workbench. Now just click on your download button, which is here. After that, just click on no thanks, just download my workbench. So here you can see the download process is started, so it will take some time. The download process is completed. So here we can see MySQL workbench, which is in form of .dmg. So now let's move to the last installation, which is MySQL Python connector. So just go to the download page again. Click on Community Edition. After that, click on MySQL connectors. So here we have so many connectors, which is connector ODBC, connector net, and connector J. So connector J is used for Java. After that we have a connector /node.js, which is new. After that we have a connector /python. Just click on connector /python. So here we have a download page for connector /python. So just scroll down, select your operating system. So here I just use platform independent, and after that I just click on download button, which is download here. After that, just click on just start my downloads. So here you can see the process is starting, so it will take some time to download the MySQL, which is Python connector. So here you can see the process is completed. So now just go to the desktop. So here we can see the MySQL connector is downloaded on desktop. And now let's start installing this software. Just click on MySQL community server. Just click on continue. After that again continue, agree. After that install. After that just put your system password. MySQL is installed, and just copy the root password here. Command C, just click OK, just click close. So now let's go to the second one, which is MySQL Workbench. Just drag on application. It will take some time to install. So here, just click on application. So here we have a MySQL Workbench. Just click on that. Click open. We just see welcome to MySQL Workbench, which means that our MySQL Workbench is installed successfully. Just minimize that and goes to the last one, which is MySQL connector Python. Just click on zip file. After that, we have a main file which is here, and click on this folder and click on new terminal at folder, and after that just click Python 3. If you are using Python 3, then just write Python 3, and after that write setup.py. After that write install. So here you can see the MySQL connector is installed successfully in our system. Just close this terminal. So here that's all about the installation process.